Hey everyone! Today I want to dive into a game changer in the medical field: Selective Laser Melting, or SLM 3D printing. This cutting-edge technology is transforming the way we create biomedical implants, and it's making a huge difference for both patients and healthcare professionals. So, what exactly is SLM? Simply put, it's a type of 3D printing that uses high-powered lasers to fuse metallic powders layer by layer. This process allows for the creation of highly customized, dense structures that are perfect for biomedical implants. Imagine creating implants that fit a patient's unique anatomy down to the smallest detail. That's the power of SLM. One of the biggest advantages of SLM is its ability to produce complex geometries that traditional manufacturing methods just can't match. These intricate designs enhance the integration of implants with human anatomy, improving therapeutic outcomes, especially in orthopedic surgeries. For example, porous structures made using SLM can promote osseointegration, helping implants bond better with bone tissue. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges like regulatory hurdles and material biocompatibility concerns. Regulatory frameworks in the US and Europe are struggling to keep up with the rapid pace of 3D printing advancements. This often leads to complex approval processes that can slow down innovation. Despite these challenges, the future looks promising. Ongoing research is focused on enhancing material properties and optimizing production processes. Collaboration between researchers, clinicians, and regulatory bodies is crucial to navigate these obstacles and fully leverage the potential of SLM. In the end, SLM 3D printing is paving the way for significant advancements in personalized healthcare solutions. It's an exciting time in the medical field, and I can't wait to see how this technology continues to evolve and improve patient outcomes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of medical innovation.